Purpose and impact of the I Am Devotion Award. The purpose of the I Am Devotion Award is to honor those who are dedicated to caring for and fostering others in the Black community. By recognizing these efforts, the award aims to inspire others to engage in nurturing initiatives and highlight the transformative impact of caregiving and nurturing on personal and community well-being. This award can significantly impact by, number 1, showcasing effective caregiving and support practices. Number 2, encouraging community members to value and pursue nurturing roles. Number 3, providing recognition and support to caregivers who often work behind the scenes. And number 4, demonstrating to sponsors the vital role of devotion in community well-being and empowerment. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Tehu Community Development.
Real estate investment loans for fix and flips, rehab loans, bridge loans, new construction loans, or a purchase of 1 to 4 unit rentals and multiple family rentals, 75% to 92% loan to value, credit score of 680 or higher. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228 about our other financial products for your business.
Your business is our priority.